Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look. I was inspired by this head wrap and mask. We got the quarantine edition going on. So I decided to add some cute purple and yellow eyeshadow to go along with this bomb look. So if you are interested in finding out how I achieved this gorgeous look, I suggest you keep on watching. We're going to go ahead and get started by priming my eyelid with some concealer. Today I'm going to be using my Gorgeous Me palette that I got from Amazon. The link will be posted in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and start in the corner of my eye with this eggplant color here, this dark purple. And I'm going to go ahead and dab that in there because that's the area that I want to be the darkest. And when I get it to the color that I really want, I'm going to then start smoothing it and blending it out. So next I'm going to go in with this lighter purple color. It is so pretty because it has a nice shimmer to it. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the middle of my eyelid, and I'm going to be blending that into that darker purple color. I want this to have a nice gradient effect, so blending is very important to make sure it has that look where it gradually goes from one color to the next. Next, we're going to go in with this yellow color, and we're going to start in the corner of my eye and just blend that into the other colors. Again, you want to make sure it is nice and blended so it has that gradual change to it. And I really want that yellow to have a nice pop there. This is really simple. We're only going to be using these three colors, having a nice blended look. There's no really fancy technique that I'm using. It's really simple. I know I don't really do a whole big, crazy thing with eyeshadow, but I like simple looks, simple and easy looks. So yeah, that's what we're going for today. The mask and the head wrap that I am going to be wearing, I saw a page on Facebook and it led me to an Etsy shop. I will post the link to that in the description box. She has some really nice fabrics and the price was very reasonable, so definitely you guys want to go ahead and check that out. But it was just really the colors really just inspired me. So now I'm going to go in with my brush that I use for the purple color, that middle purple color, and I'm just going to the top and just blending that because I didn't want it to look too harsh, but again I want it to have a nice blended look and have a nice gradual change in the colors and look really blended. I don't want one part to look more harsh than the other. Nice and blended. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my eyeliner. No, this is not my favorite eyeliner from Tarte, but this brand is really good as well, and I will be posting the information in the description box. So I'm just doing a nice simple wing with this eyeliner, and then I'm going to be adding some eyeliner to my waterline as well. So now I'm going to go in with this yellow shimmery color. It's a different yellow than the one I added to my eyelid. It has more of a shimmer to it, kind of like a foil color, and it's just going to give my eye a nice glow, but it goes along with the colors that I have there. And we're going to add that to the corner of my eye. And I'm going to also be kind of taking that into my waterline as well. And it's just going to give my entire eye a nice glow. I'm going to be adding that to my waterline in the corner. And then I'm also going to be adding those purple colors, starting with that after the yellow, going in with the purple shimmer color, that lighter purple color in the middle, and adding that darker purple color on the outer corner of my eye as well. Basically having the same effect that I have on my eyelid, we will also have that same effect on my waterline, and it just makes your eye pop even more and just give a nice full glow and a nice look to the entire eye. One thing that I've learned about eyeshadow, because I used to be so scared when I get to a point like this and you're like, it's just eyeshadow, it's just all these colors on there, and you really have a hard time seeing how it comes together. But once you add your foundation and everything else, you will really see everything come together. And so as you can see, I've already added my foundation, and now I'm just adding my setting powder. This is the Huda Beauty setting powder that you guys know I am madly in love with. And I'm going to be adding that all over my face. And then I'm also going to be adding my eyelashes as well, and just continue with this entire look. So I've added my eyelashes, and now I'm going to go ahead and highlight and contour. If you are interested in getting a detailed look into how I highlight and contour, make sure you watch my last video. I give a really detailed description on the technique that I use and the products that I use to highlight and contour my face. So make sure you guys check that out. So now we're gonna get started on these lips. I've already moisturized my lips and now I'm just adding some dark brown lip liner. I want to have like a nude kind of golden look, shimmery kind of look. So I'm gonna add this lip liner and then I'm going to go in with my favorite nude lipstick by MAC. It's called Nude Transformation. I'm gonna add that in there and blend that into my lip liner. I like to use lip liner when I'm doing a nude lip because I have full lips, and sometimes when I do a nude lip, to me it makes my lips look bigger and it just, I don't know, I really just don't like the look for me. So I like to add a lip liner for structure. And I'm going to be going on top of it with my nude, my Huda Beauty, excuse me, shimmer gloss. And it looks pink, but when you put it on, as you can see, it has like a golden kind of look to it. Without that nude lipstick under there, it has more of a sheer look. So that nude makes it pop a little bit more and makes it have a more bold look to it. So yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys will try it. Again, I will post the information about the head wrap and mask in the description box. I love this look. Look at this, y'all. This is super cute with this mask. Y'all don't have to be quarantined and looking a mess, baby. Y'all can look cute. Make it coordinate, okay? I absolutely love this. As always, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that. Do all of that for me, okay? Help us sister out and do all of that. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Information will be posted in the description box. Thank you so much for all of my subscribers and everybody that watches me all the time. Your support is greatly appreciated. I hope you keep on watching. I hope you stay tuned and hope y'all stay safe. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it. Oh yeah, and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this one. Hit that bell button too so you can receive notifications of new videos that are posted. See you next time.